Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Stocks app and signing in with your Apple ID so your watch lists and preferences sync. Once done, enable iCloud and notifications to keep real-time price alerts working across devices. Next, tap the search bar and type a ticker symbol or company name to load live data. You do this now because real quotes and linked accounts are required for the next steps. Without a signed-in session, you can't add trades or link. Once you've got a signed-in session, search and add tickers to a focused watch list so you track what matters. You can create groups or reorder entries by tapping Edit and dragging. This organizes sectors or strategies at a glance. Make sure to open each symbol to view interactive charts, company news, and key stats. These insights tell you why a price moved. Also, pin the most watched symbols to the top. That reduces friction when you check prices several times a day. To act, tap a trade link to open your connected brokerage app or use the share sheet to send the symbol. Authorize with Face ID or your brokerage credentials and confirm order details like quantity, limit, and stop loss. Once executed, check order status in both the Stocks app and your broker's activity feed to ensure completion. If you see stale quotes or missing news, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, force quit and relaunch the app, and verify Apple system status. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.